Hi friends, thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to visit my cousin Judy's country cottage, craft room, and all of the different things she's done.
It's always a work in progress.
You know what? It's a craft room, and that's what matters. Look at that. I love the valance. Wow, this is really cool, Judy. Look how organized you are. Oh my goodness.
Only semi-organized.
This is like the crafter's dream. Look at the thread. And those cute little aprons. Are those vintage?
Well, I'm assuming so. I don't know where I got them. They just showed up somewhere.
Oh my gosh, and look at the pigs. That's too funny. That's really pretty. So what? Is that all fabric?
Yeah.
Brown, green, pink.
Yep. It's all fabric.
This is so cute.
And all the doilies that are in the little frames and stuff, those are Grandma's.
Wow.
And David's, our niece, she's really good on her Cricut machine. And she made this box. And she made all these little things.
She did this with a Cricut machine?
Yeah.
Wow.
But, like, she's got all these with all the rest of the samples.
These are like little samples?
They're little samples. Grandma had a book.
Grandma made these?
I don't know if she made them, but she had a book. And when we went to Aunt...
Can we see a couple?
Oh, they're still on the wall, too.
Oh, yeah.
But when we went to Aunt Barbara's memorial, Nancy took us down in the basement, and my mom found this sticking in a pot, old pot.
Oh,
The book, but the book was like falling apart, it was disintegrating. So my mom grabbed it, and then I grabbed it for my mom, and I was always good.
Did you frame these, or
No,
were they
she
like
did
this?
it. She did it.
Oh wow!
I had taken them. They were on this real thin black fabric that was disintegrating, and so I took it all off and washed them and stretched them, flattened them out.
It's like little practice.
Yeah, they're
Things.
samples.
To sample different stitches, huh?
Yeah. And then she got, like, on some of these, she's got...
I never knew she
And
would
then-
have done something like that.
And so they've got picture, this, and then on some of them she's
There's
got
the family
pictures.
pictures.
Yeah.
And who made this quilt?
I did.
Oh, that's pretty. I like what you did to the headboard. That's unique.
Yeah, I did that too.
Never seen anybody do anything like that. I know you love red.
Yeah. My sister-in-law made a picture that had fabric behind it, and she put the doilies in front of it, and that's sort of where I got the idea to do the headboard.
You know, sometimes these ideas just spark another
and I don't know where she got her
idea.
But no, my niece was here for a visit, and I showed her.
Oh.
I showed her these. They were in a baggie. I says, one day I'm gonna make a book and put them in, and she stole them from me.
Oh, wow.
And then did this and had sent it to me.
Oh, that was sweet. But you thought that they were gone
No,
for
I
good?
didn't know they were. I didn't know they were even gone.
This is a
She was
pretty
staying-
lamp here.
She was staying in the craft room on the Murphy bed.
Oh,
So,
that was a nice idea.
but yeah, no, she's really good with her Cricut machine.
Oh, I never knew Grandma did all this crochet.
Well, yeah, like I said, I don't know if she
Yeah.
actually did it, but I know it was her sample book. So I'm sure she did some of them.
That is amazing. And what about the doilies on the bed? Were they just collected?
Those are ones I just picked up. Some of them might have been from
Thrifted.
Grandma, but most of them were some I picked up at estate sales, probably.
Pretty. Amazing.
These apple peelers.
Oh, I like this. My way or the highway.
Yeah, I think Toby gave that to him.
Oh, wow.
And he's got all of his old apple peelers and the old cherry pitter. That works.
Where are those?
Right there.
Oh, all these. I just sent my grandson Grandma's old pastry blender so he can make biscuits. He used to go with me to the thrift stores, and he just loved looking at all the old gadgets.
Yeah, when I go to
Look at
estate sales,
those.
that's what I look for. I look through the gadgets all the time. The leash and the collar and everything he had on it.
You got it with the collar and the leash.
Yeah.
Today is the tomorrow that you worried about. Yesterday, all is well. And all is well. Oh, that's so good. I love it. But every house where love abides and friendship is, a guest is surely home, and home sweet home, for there the heart can rest. Oh, that's really sweet. And what does this one say?
That one's more like fancy.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Did you did all the embroidery on this?
Yeah.
Never lie ashamed of how...
No, never be ashamed.
Oh, never be ashamed of how deeply and passionately you loved someone who betrayed you.
Who destroyed you.
Who destroyed you. Because destroying things is just who they are, but loving things deeply and passionately is who you are. Wow, that's beautiful.
I made the board too.
Oh, God didn't promise days without pain, laughter without sorrow, nor sun without rain. But He did promise strength for today, comfort for the tears, and light for the way.
Oh, I got that on. Well, that one over there is the one we got at that one estate sale.
I remember. It was $5.
Yeah.
So you made this headboard. Isn't that beautiful? And this, yeah, I got a table like this. You paid $5 for this, and you guys refinished it. I paid $160 in an antique store for mine. But you know what?
I paid $60 for that, and I had to refinish.
They never grow
Our
old.
8th grade graduation dress. And there's some here somewhere that was something I made her when she was before she was in kindergarten.
How long did it take you to make this quilt?
This one was quick. I actually have enough to make 4 more.
Oh no!
Because I just when I start
these little pieces.
When I start to do them, I just get them done.
Yeah.
And then put them all together. And my sister-in-law quilted it.
Nice. Really nice.
We cannot force someone to hear a message they are not ready to receive, but we must never underestimate the power of planting a seed. My cousin refinishes furniture as well as quilting and all of the other crafts that she does, and she also does woodworking. What a beautiful, talented person she is. This is her pantry. Very organized. I couldn't believe how organized she is. But she's done so many things. Look at all the canning. It's amazing. She paid $25 for this. It was in pieces. She put it back together, made new backs for the chairs, and refinished it. Amazing. It's a beautiful, sturdy farmhouse table, solid wood. Thank you for joining me today, friends. And please do come back again. Give me a like and a subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button, and we'll see you next time.